Baja California is exploding with Hurricane Hilary. Strong winds and serious floods in Santa Rosalia. Baja California bore the brunt of Hurricane Hilary on August 19, 2023, as the storm escalated to a Category 4 on the Safra Simpson scale. The aftermath brought devastation to Santa Rosalia, with fatal flooding and dramatic rescues witnessed in the region. Emergency services responded to distress calls as heavy rain unleashed flood currents, leading to a tragic incident involving a family in a vehicle. One fatality was reported, but 4 lives were saved through swift rescue efforts. Authorities in Mullage took measures to safeguard residents, offering shelter to over 1,000 people amidst the storm's heavy rains and flooding that severely disrupted communication routes. As Hurricane Hilary marched north, Southern California geared up for a deluge of catastrophic proportions. Forecasted to weaken into a tropical storm, the system was still poised to unleash torrents of rain, potent winds, and life-threatening floods. California Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency in anticipation of Hilary's impact. With evacuation orders in place, California residents faced the daunting challenge of preparing for an unprecedented deluge, while first responders and utility companies stood ready to minimize damage and ensure the safety of the populace.